What's up guys, welcome back to Stupid Blokes, Stupid Videos. We're making another stupid video. Bit different this time. We're actually going to do a product test of something. I mean, if you look at the quality of that case, you can tell that this is going to be something extremely good. And full instructions. And this, as you can tell from its, I think that might be 3D printed ergonomic design, but this is a plastic welding tool. Just see what's in the box, because we've got, you see, like staples that they heat up and then you melt it into the plastic. That's something else. That's for like smoothing it over or some shit. As you can see, we've got a nice BS 7671 compliant plug on that, and like I said, from its ergonomic design, I mean, it weighs about a kilogram maybe. Looks like there's a screw missing, but it might be just that there is. Wow, it's even got a light on it. It's got a little LED there, look at that. Anyway, let's see if it works. Eye wrap off here. I mean, this was, I think it was about 20 quid. So it was a real bargain. I mean, look at that. Dirty. Perfect. So let's, oh, it's not gone on fire yet. No switch on it, I think it just turns on when you turn it on. Are you ready? Oh, well, that was undramatic. No flames or anything. So I know exactly how it works. Yeah, but it appears that you put these in here with it turned off, because I don't really trust the shitter. And then, so that goes in there like that. You turn it on, then there's a little button that you press here, and nothing happens. Absolutely nothing. Wow. Yes. Seems to be doing absolutely nothing. Unless I'm doing something wrong. Let's try pushing that in there further. Oh yes. It's still doing nothing. Quality. And this is made in China, so it's probably made by a 7-year-old, which is possibly why it doesn't work. Let's see. Yes. Seems to be a wire there that's not connected to anything. But I don't know yet, because I haven't had a proper look. Let's see if we can suss that shitter out. And this seems to be it. There is no, I can't do it and hold this at the same time, but to the live and the neutral, I'm getting fucking 1 volt. So I think that there's an issue with that quality product there. Well, that's the wrong adapter, I think, but let's just force it in anyway. Oh, it's doing something. She's got power. She's got power. Look. Yes. Yes. So let's put these lovely fixings back in. I mean, yes. So you hold it with this. Oh my god. You hold it with this lovely ergonomic thing, and as you press that, it heats up. So let's get it at an angle so you can see. That was pretty good. I completely missed. Completely didn't show what I was doing. Let's do it again. And you let it cool down. Yes. Let's try that again, but we'll turn it off before we put this in. You ready to see some beautiful artwork? Make sure we're focused. Better off from there, I think that's better, isn't it? As you can see, let it cool down, and now it's fucking stuck in. Yes. You just simply, you just cut these ends off. There we go, look at that. Let's see how it is on the other side and put this away. Oh. Well, that actually works. It's pretty fucking good actually. That is strong. Well, we can't put it away now, but who needs to put something away that looks as good as that? Anyway, bit of a short one, not what I'm used to doing, but I thought it was worth showing that. And don't forget to like and subscribe, ring the bell, that usual shit. And I'm going to pull them back out and put this away.